Many features on the new Malibu make manufacturing simpler and at the same time improve serviceability. The doors are a good example. Let's take a closer look. With the upper trim panel removed, the power door lock and window switch assembly lift out of the armrest. The connectors are different sizes, so you can't confuse them for installation. There are two screws behind the door pull handle plug. A new tool, J42491, is being developed specifically for removing the trim panel on the Malibu. In the meantime, use a tool that won't damage the door or the panel. There are two reasons for the new tool. First, the clips are quite far in from the edge of the panel. And second, a clip remover with unprotected metal parts could damage this ridge around the edge of the door and possibly the panel itself. Knowing the location of the door clips may make trim panel removal simpler. Here are the clip locations on the front trim panel. And this is the location of the clips on the rear door panel. When removing the water deflector, make sure the butyl adhesive remains in place for reinstallation. The window and door operating mechanisms on the Malibu are assembled as a module. To remove the modular assembly from the door, or the door itself, you'll need to disconnect the electrical harness for the power window and door controls. Under the door sill trim, two multiple connectors for the front door controls are accessible. To separate the connectors, squeeze the tabs and pull the lock down. The front door connectors are color-coded for assembly. The connector for the rear door is located in the B pillar. After depressing the four tabs, use a flat blade screwdriver to release the connector halves. At the door, disconnect the latch to allow the inside door handle rods to be removed with the module. Depending on your repair procedure, the lock rod and the door handle rod can be accessed for release. The door handle rod is held by a clip, which you can pop open with a small flat blade screwdriver. After removing the bolts, you can remove the door handle from the outside. To remove the glass, raise the window and remove the fasteners at the sash. Tape the window glass in position, then lower the track. Tilt the glass to release it from the guide and remove it from the door. Then just 6 fasteners retain the modular assembly, making for easy removal. If you should be unlucky enough to break a clip holder when removing the trim panel, you can repair it. Remove the cured adhesive with a 50 grit Rolock disc. Be careful not to cut into the clip holder. Use a hot melt glue gun to install the clip holder to its location on the trim panel. Moving on to door removal, protect the edges of the fender and the door with masking tape or duct tape. You can see that the door is highly serviceable, being retained by only 3 bolts at the top and bottom hinge pins and at the check strap. Removing the door here means that you don't have to adjust hinge position after door installation. Rotate the top part to make sure the hinge pin is loose. As you're removing the door, pull the wiring harness for the controls through the A-pillar conduit hole. Be sure to support the door adequately as you're removing it from the vehicle. The 1997 Malibu shows how advances in manufacturing processes can translate into easier service procedures for you.